Morning guys, it's Saturday morning and I'm at the railway bridge just north of New Norfolk on the Derwent River. I've just dropped my sister off who's down from Sydney, and we're going to packraft this section of the river from here into New Norfolk. I just need to drive the car back to New Norfolk first, and then I'm going to ride the bike back out here, and then we'll get on the water. So I'm back at New Norfolk now at the rowing club. Got the bike on the car still, so I'm going to grab that off and I'm going to head back to where I dropped Clare off. Hello. Hello, hello. So we've got the rafts inflated and it's time to head out on the river.
You're moving fast, I'm actually like working. So the bits that I'm choosing are a bit slower, which is